What is up, all you funnel hackers? Today's video, we're going to go over an update on what exactly you get with the Funnel Hacker Lab membership. So let's get straight into this video. Over here, as you can tell, well, first of all, you're not going to see this black thing up here, this WordPress, because it's just that I'm the owner of Funnel Hacker Lab's membership, and it's under my WordPress, and I'm the admin on here, so you're going to see that on my admin side. But enough of that. You're not going to see that, is what I'm trying to say. So as soon as you log on, you're going to see a little intro over here. I highly recommend you checking that out. It's just a little welcome video. Then what you're going to want to do is join our Facebook group. Then you're going to want to check out the funnel bonuses over here. It's more of a training of how to properly utilize everything that's included in the entire Funnel Hacker Labs membership. It's going to show you where everything is just about. You're not going to see all of these. So what you're not going to see this one, for example. This is a more advanced course. But you are going to see things like the welcoming, you're going to see the bonus, and you also see our new bonus over here, the 2-week challenge. And I'll get into that very, very soon. Make sure you stick to this because it's crazy, guys. You're going to love that part. But Funnel Hacker Labs welcoming, like I said, this little teaching over here is just going to teach you about how to start everything, how to clone your ClickFunnels, how to clone any ClickFunnels template and paste it onto your editor, how to download that extension, how to utilize the actual funnel library, how to clone landing pages on the Go High Level or on the ClickFunnels, things like that. Next thing we have over here is the Funnel Hacker Lab bonuses. Now this consists of the 30 done for you videos, other intro videos, the white label videos, spokesman videos, royalty-free music, images, marketing infographics, and we got a whole lot of marketing infographics. Pretty much everything you need to, like I said, it's your marketing shortcut. It's everything you need to properly build out your funnel and all the way to building out your ads to getting those conversions, guys. We're just trying to overall make everything very simple for you. Next thing, 2-week challenge. Blade, what is the 2-week challenge? Guys, I challenge you. I dare you to get your next customer, your next client, utilizing organic methods without paying a single dollar in ads, guys, with this 2-week challenge. What it is a training. Doesn't last 2 weeks, guys. You can honestly finish it all in a day. But pretty much what it does is it teaches you exactly how to get, like I said, clients within 2 weeks, utilizing social media, leveraging social media, and just organic methods. So you assets over here, optimizing social media presence, how to make social media posts, video distribution method, how to create thumbnails, creating bit.ly links to track statistics, how to get more referrals. I know there's no thumbnail here, but that'll be fixed. How to hustle to get clients. I love that part, guys. That in itself right here is worth the entire price, its entire membership. How to hustle to get clients, guys. Tells you how to leverage social media to get clients. This one's crazy. I love that part. Then you got over here the bonus course, what's next, fundamentals in a nutshell, tagging, hustle plus closing script, sales training, fundamentals in a nutshell. I mean, I always recommend watching that, but it just gives a brief overview of everything else in just one little video. But yeah, it's pretty much what it is. How to get your next client in 2 weeks, guys. Marketing shortcut, guys. Like I said, funnel library. Now this is where things get crazy, guys. So like we said, let's load up. It's a lot on here, so it might take a little bit. But like I said, we have over 300 different landing page templates and over 60 different niches. So any niche, the guys that you can possibly think of, we have your landing page. I can almost guarantee it. And matter of fact, I want to make an offer even bigger. If for some reason, whatever reason, we don't have your landing page for your specific niche, please tell me because I want to add it. Okay, I want to add it. Right. What I've done to create this massive list of landing pages. What I've done is I actually hired a group of developers and designers. And what we just do is we grind all day making landing pages. So every single day, we're always making more landing pages to continuously add to here. My goal by the end of the year is to hit 500 landing pages. Next year, I want to hit 1,000 landing pages. And next year, I also want to add a bunch of more little software bonuses on here. For example, like a funnel planner tool, some AI tracking software, things like that, just to make everything overall a lot more simple and just give you guys the best chances of success as possible. That being said, guys, if you need any help with anything, you can always go over here. By the way, this is the categories over here. You can also go, you can You can put it into Go High Level, or you can duplicate it directly into ClickFunnels. Go High Level, all you do is you copy, it copies that link, you paste into that little step on Go High Level, and you add it right there. Click on ClickFunnels, and it duplicates it right into ClickFunnels. Pretty simple. You can display the templates just like that. But back to what I was saying. What I was saying is, we want to give you the best chance of success as possible. We really, truly want to make sure you succeed. This way you can give us the best testimony as possible. That being said, guys, once you join this little membership, all right, this is a family here. Once you join, I really encourage you to join our Facebook group. All right. The reason being is because you can always put any questions you have there that you need. Guys, if you're struggling with something, you need help, post on there. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add a button here that you can directly schedule an appointment with yours truly. And this appointment, you can ask me whatever questions you might have, guys. If you need something else, if you need another asset, if you need closers, if you need virtual assistants, if you need a custom built CRM, if you need a website completely built for you, if you need a development team, whatever you need, some software developers, whatever you guys need in order to make your business truly prosper, you better know that I'm going to be there for you. And one last thing, guys, like I said, we're a family, and we try to reward people for bringing more people in. So I'm trying to say is we also offer a 40% commission for you bringing in other people into our little team. So if you have a buddy over here that needs these tools to promote their business, let them know, bring them in, guys. I'll give you a little affiliate link and you get 40% commission, reoccurring commission off of that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, one last thing before we hop off, guys. Another thing is if you want 2 months for free of Funnel Hacker Labs, I'll give that to you. All you have to do is make a nice video testimonial telling how exactly Funnel Hacker Labs helped you in what ways, guys. And I'll give you 2 months completely on us, on the house. Your boy will give you 2 months for free of Funnel Hacker Labs. So all you have to do, like I said, make a quick video. And right now, you're going to have to post it to the Funnel Hacker Lab group, or you can send it to me directly through my email. I'm actually going to be adding another section on here for affiliates and for testimonials, for success stories. So once again, guys, thank you all for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Click the link down below to join the team, and I can't wait to see you there. Where are you going to see me? Right up there. Right there? That's where it is, the top, guys. Can't wait to see you at the top. Peace out.